If you're looking for cat fountains, here's a collection you've got to see. Pets Lover Channel presents Top 10 Cat Fountains. Number 1, by Catit. Watch this video and get inspired. Number 2, by PetStandard. Number 3, by PetSafe. For more details about these cat fountains products, just click this circle. Number 4. Number 5, by Zanyzap. Find these cat fountains at up to 70% off by clicking the description below. Number 6, by Petmate. Number 7, by Pioneer Pet. Click the circle in the corner to find more amazing products and gift ideas. Number 8, by Animate. Number 9, by Young. Discover more cat fountains ideas and items to explore, click the description below. Number 10, by PetSafe.
Thanks for watching this collection. If you like it, subscribe to our channel.